Here's how to fix Microsoft Sign In problem. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the startup option of your desktop of your laptop. And then afterwards, what you need to do is go to the search icon and search for the services system option. After searching on that, what you need to do is to click on the open option or just go ahead and click on the app itself. Afterwards, what you need to do is to scroll up until you see there the choices which says Windows Update. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you need to go ahead and think or look for the startup type and service status. Make sure that the startup type is clear or set to automatic and the service status is running. Afterwards, click OK. And now for the last step, right-click the Windows Update and click Restart. Now you need to try once again if the signing in on Microsoft is now going start.